channel. This channel is dedicated to hackathon coding contests, internship, and job updates. So subscribe to the channel so you never miss any opportunity. Now let's begin with the today's video. So today I found a new opportunity, new internship opportunity, which is a paid web design internship. Kisan Udyog is hiring for the role of web designer intern. In this internship, the stipend is around 20,000 to 25,000 per month. Student, fresher, undergraduate, postgraduate, and engineering student can apply. So in this role, you will be work on a UI/UX design, web design, wireframes, mockup, and responsive web design. So basic knowledge of Figma, HTML, CSS, or web design is helpful, but fresher can also apply. So these type of internship help you to build resume and increase chance of getting a good job letter. So this internship may close very soon, so applies as early as possible. Apply link in the description. If you want a daily update about internship, hackathons, and jobs, subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Thank you. So